Hello, my students. How are you? Are you ready for the lesson for today? Today we have Jolly Phonics. Okay, we have the first sound in this lesson. Okay, are you ready? Good. So our learning outcomes for today, we are going to identify the sound, this one. Then we are going to recognize the sound. The last one, we are going to write the sound in 4 lines. Okay, my students? Now, let's start with the warm-up. I want you to do some actions. Okay, stand up, sit down, turn around, touch the ground, point to the door. Well done. Sit down. Give a clap for yourself. Very good, grade 1. Okay, now let's have this story. Look here. Once upon a time, there was a boy. His name is Sam. Sam and his dog went to the garden. Sam was playing. Suddenly, he saw a very big snake. Sam said, "Oh, what is it?" "It was a very big snake," he said. He took his stick. He wanted to kill the snake. The snake made a sound. Sam was scared and he ran very fast to his mom. And he said to his mom, "Mommy, Mommy, there was a very big spotty snake in the garden." So the sound for today is sun, sand, nest, spots, snake. The sound for today is very good. Okay. Now I will play for you the song of the sound. Are you ready, my students? Listen to the song.
The snake is in the grass. 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 The snake is in the grass.
Okay, do you like the song? Me too. The snake is in the grass. Okay, look at the snake. The snake is in the grass. Okay, so the sound for today again, my students, it is yeah, well done. Okay, now look here, we are gonna to color the sound okay, we will take our color and we are going to color the sounds. We will start from here, from top, round, down, Again, round, down, round. Okay, can you color the sound? Yes, start from here. Okay, like this. Round, down, then round again. Okay, till you finish. Now, how can we write the sound S here on the fourth line? Okay, I will take another one, another color. Oh, not this one. Take the red one. Okay, look here. In English, we have how many lines? One, two, three, four. We have 4 lines. When we write the sound S, we will start from line number 2 till 3. Don't come to line number 1. Line number 1, no. No, don't touch it, okay? Don't come to line number 1. We will start from line number 2 till 3. Line number 4, no, don't touch line number 4. Okay, my students? We will do like this. Round, we will make dot here. Okay, then round, down, round, like this. Again, round, down, round. Okay, let's write it here. You have to make space. Don't write it close to this one. Take space and then write round, down, round. Can you do the rest, my students? Good, well done. Okay. Here on your Jolly Phonics booklet, I want you to write the sound S. Okay? Round, down, round. Write the sound S here. Okay? And don't forget, you have to make space, space. Okay? Now, this activity, I want you to circle the sound S. Is this sound S? No. Is this sound S? Yes. So you have to circle it. Here we have S. So you have to circle the sound S. Here we have another S. Here another one. Okay, here another S. Is this snow? Is this snow? So don't circle the other sound, only S. As a homework, I will give you this sheet. You have to circle the sound S, only the sound S. Okay, that's all for today, my students. Thank you. Goodbye.